This is Chase from MET, and today I'm going to be showing you the basic controls and how you can manipulate your video to make it the certain shape and size that you wish. So this is going to be completely in Premiere Pro, so you don't have to worry about using any other applications. So we're just going to open that up, and we're going to make a new project. Title it MET. Now first what you're going to want to do is load in your footage, so you can double click on the bottom left corner here saying import media to start. That'll open up any files that you need. So we're just going to take a clip from one of my news stories that I did. See here. So we'll double click on that, it'll import it in. We could carry it into the sequence. So this is the clip that we have to work with. All you have to do to start affecting how this clip works is you click on the clip, click Effect Controls, and now we see we have all these options in the top left here. Basically, whatever you want to do with the clip, all you have to do is drag these blue numbers right or left, or if you'd like, you can manually edit them by clicking on them. You can enter in numbers, so say we want this to be at, say, 540, just like the other one, right? We'll enter that in, and boom, it'll move to the position of 540 on the horizontal axis, and then the right here will control how it goes up or down, so vertically. So let's say we want this at 800, it'll move it there. If you do end up making a mistake and you want to go back to the way it was, you always have these arrows on the right which will reset whatever you want to do. So you just click that, bring it back to normal. And now below that we have scale. Scale will affect how large or small your video is going to come out. So obviously normally we have it at 100, but say you want a digital zoom and you didn't zoom with your camera, so you want to focus on one portion of the clip, you can just type in any number here, say 500, boom, and there's a beautiful shot right there, the Sachem M. And again, we can move this around with our position controls, so we get a little good shot of Chris there. And again, if you want, you can always reset them. And below that we have rotation. Obviously, as it says, rotation will affect how the tip is rotated, so what degree it's on. So if you want to flip this baby upside down, do a little 180, boom, and the clip's upside down. If you go anywhere past 360, it'll bring it back to the original position and beyond. And again, if you'd like, you can always reset parameter and it'll bring it back to the beginning. So another effect that comes to mind when thinking about affecting a clip is crop. So basically, if we were to take a little effect here in the bottom left, type in crop, it'll pop up under the transform bin. We can just drag and drop that onto the clip, and now, alright, up here in effect controls again in the top left, we have the crop effect. So say you only wanted a specific portion of the clip out, but you don't want to have to move it right or move it left to get it out. All you would have to do is type in what percent you want cropped out. Say you want 50% of the left out. Boom. So now this whole half of the clip is going to be gone. And you can even add the top or right scale. So say you want it specifically focused on Eric there on the right. So we can drop it 50 down. Down, boom, 25 bottom, and let's do 75 left, and boom, now we just have Eric and Heidi there. And again, like I said, if you'd like to reset, click that back arrow and you're back to normal. So those are just the basics. Obviously, you can always search for more advanced effects, but those will be able to get you started and affect normal clips any the way you want. That's all I have for you, MET. Have a wonderful day.